while using Microsoft Excel, should our people be using Claude or Microsoft Copilot? That question has been coming up a lot in my conversations. Now, both are available, both are great in Excel, but there are some choices, some differences that you want to think about, right? Let's talk through it. Let's start with Claude first over here. So I'm going to click on Claude, and Claude Excel plugin is great. It works wonderfully. I use it from time to time as well. You can pick your model over here, and you can do some wonderful things with the data that you see in Excel. Wonderful. However, does this provide you enterprise data protection when you're doing it this way? I don't think so. Now, if I'm using Copilot, same way over here, that also has a toggle here. It says auto, and I can choose a specific Claude model, 4.8, and now 5 is available, and also Sonnet 5, right? So I have choices in using GPT model from OpenAI or Opus from Claude, or I can keep it auto, which for regular users, this works best. The point here is that the same models are available directly in Excel with Copilot. So you can use OpenAI or you can use Claude if you wanted to. In addition, Microsoft has been making some pretty good decisions here, in my humble opinion, where you can go now, and of course you can have many different connectors that you can hook up to, and you have skills. So AI skills in here, lots of good finance-specific skills, and they'll be coming up with more also. So again, the question becomes, why not use Copilot? Now, having said that, Copilot has let me down from time to time, no doubt, and I've actually put information out there about that as well. But it's been getting a lot better. I'm recording this right now, July 29th, 2026, and I kid you not, what it was a few months ago and what it is right now, it's a big, big difference. And I believe it's just going to continue to get better and better. And again, the biggest thing that I see, the biggest advantage of using Copilot and Excel versus Claude is the enterprise data protection. So all these figures that I have here, if I wanted to talk about these figures or have it edit these figures or do whatever, I would much rather have my employees use Copilot versus Claude because of enterprise data protection. So hope this helps in your understanding and in your decision as to how to guide your employees of what to use when.